everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and what I'm going to show you today is a very easy chord progression that I teach to a lot of my beginner guitar students. Today we're going to learn this chord progression, which I think is really good for beginner guitarists. What's interesting about this one is we have the fingers 3 and 4 held down the whole entire time on the 3rd fret of the 2nd and 1st string, like that. Which we start with a full G chord. So our 2nd finger's on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and our 1st finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then we just move those fingers to the 5th and 4th string, same frets. Hop up or down, however you want to think of it. It's up in pitch, but it's down to the ground. So this next chord is a C Cadd9, and we strum 5 strings with it. Then we go to E minor 7, so we take our 2 fingers off, like we're making a peace sign. Peace! So sorry, that was very unnecessary. So we take those fingers and we put them on the 2nd fret. 1st finger is on the 5th string, 2nd finger is on the 4th string. Strum all 6 strings. That's an E minor 7 chord. And then we take those fingers off yet again. And I'm doing this to show, don't pull your fingers off that far if you can avoid it, just so you can see my fretboard better. And then take your 1st finger and put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then you strum 4 strings. And that's a D Sus4 chord. And then you repeat. I would start this progression with just strumming 4 down strums. 6 strings, 5 strings, 6 strings again, 4 strings. Then when you're comfortable, add some strums. So many great songs have been built off this. You might have heard some. For instance, Every Rose Has Its Thorn by Poison, Oasis's Wonderwall, Wanted Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi, I Remember You, Skid Row. They all use these types of chords and many songs have been built off them. What I love about this exercise again is by keeping your 3rd and 4th finger down, which tend to be weaker fingers, and just moving 1 and 2, it makes it a really cool chord progression. Feel free to start on any of those chords and experiment with the order of them. Hope you have a lot of fun with it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more updates, and we'll see you in the next lesson.